Here are the tools needed for this installation: 2.5 Allen key, adjustable wrench, and ratchet extension, 10mm socket, long nose, and flathead screwdriver. Install first the plastic fittings. Next is install the mounting bracket on top of the catch can, but do not fully tighten it yet. To release, press the top of the black clip that holds the fuel line. Remove the top bolt of the fuel line cover and just loosen the bottom bolt. Remove the fuel line from the white clip. Remove these bolts of the mounting bracket of the fuel line. Oil catch can bracket goes behind the mounting bracket of fuel line, then you bolt them together using the OEM bolts. Once bolts are aligned, you can fully tighten them. Then put the fuel line back. Remove the PCB hose at the back of the valve cover. Then remove the other end of the hose of the valve cover. And one tip, you can actually use a flathead screwdriver to loosen it up, because removing this one is a bit hard. So using a flathead screw will be easier. Install the 90 degrees PCV silicone hose at the out port of the catch can and the other end to the port of the intake manifold. Tighten the worm gear clamps on both ends. install the straight PCV silicone hose to the in port and the other end of the hose to the valve cover. Okay, that's about it. You just need to double check all the connections before starting up the car and check all the tools. You might drop something, just double check just in case. Okay, that's it for today. It took me 20 minutes to install that one, and if you think that this video helps, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way, and see you on our next video.